Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will give you a little tutorial, inshallah helpful. That is how to zoom a column in Excel. Okay, I have data. This is my data. I will auto zoom in this total. Okay, please we block. This is data. We select auto zoom and select zoom. Sukses. And nilai ulangan 2. We block. Use auto zoom. Select zoom. Oke, nilai ulangan number 3. We block. Select auto zoom. Select zoom. And sukses. This is data. Okay, I will give a tutorial auto zoom to right. Yes, we block and select auto zoom. Okay, auto zoom. I will give a tutorial auto zoom quick. We block here, drag to down. Yes, success. Okay, so many video tutorial that I have provided may be useful. I'm sorry I'm not good at speak English. Thank you, I am Hasan. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.